Hello everyone and welcome to a very special show where we introduce to you the new Designer's Choice number 9, the Cutesy Charm Box. The Designer's Choice die set is a distillation of all the best stuff from a collection into one die set, and yeah, this is no exception. You get everything you need within that die set to create some wonderful projects. Now I'm here with Alison and we're going to go through exactly what is the Cutesy Charm Box, along with some inspiration as well to show you what it's like in action. So Ali,
okie dokie.
Take us away.
How are you?
Not too bad.
This is a Cutesy Charm Box. So how are these made? What do you get? Lots of questions. I know these have made sneaky appearances in a few places where they shouldn't have been. They've been so desperate to be seen.
Yeah.
So let me show you what you get first, and then we'll go through all the samples. So this is your die set as it arrives with you. So what does it do? Let me show you. You've got 16 dies. So I'm going to move these out of the way just so that I can go through everything with you. So you've got your base die. So you need 2 of those to make the box. You've got your panels that cover the front, and you've got your side panels. So that's your first bit. We don't need that one. And then we've got the pattern panels then that go into them. So you can back your panels when you cut a plain one, then cut a pattern into the die set. And then you've got your little tags then. So you've got a gift, enjoy, and with love. Absolutely gorgeous panels. Very masculine with some, feminine with others, and some that could be a mixture.
Lovely shapes to them. So if you can make this cutesy box that you've got there as well. But like you say, those wonderful little tags. I know everyone is always looking for ways to put their little signature or put to say who it's from on the back of the card and things like that. They're perfect for that, and great for all of those are great for tags.
They certainly
you
are.
can punch a hole in the top, and they're great for all of them.
They are, and I'm going to show you some of the ideas that our design team have had. So what have we got for starters? Well, I'll show you the boxes as they were meant to be made for starters. So this is a little bit of paper piecing, and I think this would cover the traditional amongst us, but the funky colours also make it quite young as well. You've also got the gorgeous panels on the side, and you've got a little panel for the base where you can put your name, who it's for, whichever you choose. So absolutely delightful little box. How does it open? It comes from the top. Just move the little heart to the side, and the same on the other side, and there is your little box inside. So it could hold some sweets. It could hold, if you're a jewellery maker, I think this would be an amazing box for a jewellery maker. Could be very masculine, and some cufflinks or a tie pin or something for the man in your life. Let me just pop this shut again. So that's your first one. That's your first panel.
This set, by the way, Designer's Choice number 9. So if you're first time joining us and you don't know about Designer's Choices, there is a series of them, but they're all individual die sets, and they're only available on the Tonic Studios Store, and they're a limited quantity. So we've seen in the past when we've launched them, they've sold out even before the weekend's out. So if you do really like this set, then then get it as it is, a limited issue. It's not going to be coming back, this set, and only available on the Tonic Studios Store. So yeah, some beautiful projects for you to have a look at now, made with some of our design team, and we're going to have some inspiration to go along with that as well. So tutorials showing you exactly how to put these together. So it's not a case of any guesswork. They're easy to put together anyway.
They are easy, very, very easy.
You're going to see
together.
All the inspiration from the design girl showing you how to make some of those that you've got there.
So this is another panel. These have been cut into the colours and relaid on top, so they've made the pattern proud. This is made by Jen, and it's a lovely idea. Nice texture to it. Beautiful. This is the same box, different panel. We've overlaid, well, Jen has overlaid 4 colours here, so you get the colour peeping through behind, but not too difficult. So this is your very swirly pattern here, and she's done the same on the sides. Absolutely gorgeous. So what else have we got? We've got, put your Nuvo into them. This looks like Dream Drops to me. It's got that lovely iridescence and a gorgeous little tag. Use your white gel pens to bring out the sentiment. And you obviously a little bit of ribbon there. Use your glitter cards. If you've got them and you're not using them, these dies will cut perfectly into your glitter card. What else have we got here? Go a little bit young and funky with your colours. These are Vicky's. So she's done a bit of paper piecing with them, added your crystal drops. But this one to me, it could be quite masculine as well, depending on the colours you choose.
Yeah, they go to, so they're obviously quite a romantic box, but there's like geometric elements to some of the designs as well, and because it's a lovely sort of lattice design. On one you're going to see in a moment, there's a sort of vellum over it. That we see, it gives a lovely silhouette that goes through. It's that one there.
I'm showing you all the boxes first, as they were meant to be made, so you can see exactly what you're going to get, and then you use your imagination to go forward. So again, add your little crystal drops to decorate. Don't need to do a lot to them because they are really, really cute. It's
like lovely for party favours. If you're at a wedding or something like that and you wanted to do a bracelet or something like that to put in each, or something, a little memory from the day, it's a really nice way to do it.
Little bag, add your ribbon, cover the inside, stick your ribbon to the inside, cover it with the panel, and that is your little girly paper bag, your girly party bag coming from a little girl's party, and this is made by our Ruth. Then we're moving on. We're branching out a little bit. We're changing the sizes. So this is a little candle holder. So I've used the two bigger sides and stuck them onto a base. So we can show there that we can do something a little bit different. Yeah. I've used the hearts on the top to make little butterflies. Just stick the two together. I obviously use your crystal drops. Jen has done the similar shape, but just elongated it to make a bigger box. So this almost looks like a boudoir box to me. That you'd have some really luscious perfume in. So that's a gorgeous idea. We've doubled the box up and made a bigger box. So you may have a bigger gift that you want to show. So I've taken the middle out just so we've got a nice big centre.
They make a nice little, you can make a nice little money box if
you could.
Because you don't want,
you could.
Sometimes the money box is a bit too big, like you only want to just have a little bit for your next coffee out or something like that. You could.
Sometimes people collect a certain coin, don't they? Yeah. Maybe you collect 20 pences or a dime or something like that, something quite small. So doubling it up makes it quite a substantial box. And I've extended the little hearts here just so that it will all close. So I'll shut them up. There we go. And again, depending on your colours, I think your colours always, to me, make it either young, funky, trendy, traditional, masculine. Your colours do it all for me. That's that one. So we've also got a little basket. Another lovely idea. Again, using the 4 panels. I'm loving the ideas the girls have come up with this time.
So different.
We've also got a little, it could be in your memory book. This could fit into a pocket in your memory book. I'm just going to push the little bow through. I'm being gentle because I obviously don't want to damage it. And then you've got little pockets inside. They could be little pictures. They could be locks of hair. You know, if you're doing a baby book, it could be a lock of hair, it could be your first tooth.
Yeah, you could have different compartment for all the different bits,
exactly. And they would all fit in there and close up lovely. Little gift tag. We spoke earlier of a gift tag. Here's your little gift tag. Fold it over, cut it on the fold line, and then you've got room inside then to pop a lovely little sentiment, nice little words that you want to say. And not forgetting, all our panels here can be used into cards. So this to me, it says hugs and kisses, and this is our strip sentiments. But it also says to me a church window.
It does, yeah.
It says a stained glass window to me. So this would take it. I got a feeling these may be Christines.
I think they are.
I think they're Christines.
That
you know, you just
mid sort of going across those
yeah.
sentiments. I think
I haven't got a name on them, so if I have got the wrong name, I do apologise. But I think they're Christines. And again, she's done the same, but she's elongated it. Excuse me. With the plainer die, so she's used this die to make it longer. And again, if you look at that, let me show you that way. That could be a church window, a little couple standing there. That is a wedding card in my eyes. And you can keep extending these to make the window as big as you like. So I think that's another lovely idea. And you've also got your little crosses. So if you were one that likes putting your hugs and kisses,
yeah.
some little crystal drops for the hugs, and then your kisses on the side. So that is beautiful.
That's it. The panels that you've seen in all of these, they've got lots of different feels to them. And like I said at the beginning of this show, it's sort of putting together everything you need sort of into one set. So it was the idea. So you've got those more romantic ones, you've got the more geometric, more modern maybe styles, then you've got your more traditional as well, then really pretty traditional ones too. So it's like it lets you do all of these within one box in one die set, so through those 16 dies that you're going to get.
I mean, I'm saying that this is a very masculine die. Look how girly that is, made with exactly the same die. All done through colour.
Yeah, really nice.
Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. I think our design team have excelled themselves here.
Yeah, I think they really have.
So pretty. So go from your little dinky cutesy boxes up to your bigger boxes and your baskets. Lots of different things that you can make. So you're never going to be stuck for an idea with this set.
That's it. Loads there for you. So yeah, that's designer's choice number 9, the Cutesy charm box. That's available now if you're watching this. But like I said, it's limited edition and exclusive only to Tonic Studios, so you won't find it anywhere else. Check online for the pricing too, and there's often great deals on shipping there on the website if you want to take a look. Thank you so much for joining me and Alison today. We'll see you soon for the next designer's choice and more from Tonic Studios. See you soon, everyone. Bye bye.
Bye.